Welcome to EMO Hannover 2025. One of the major highlights of our presence here is to reinforce UMBRAGROUP's Electrospindles and milling head solutions. With more than 50 years of experience in motion technologies, UMBRAGROUP is now taking a major step forward with the creation of a new company within the group, UMBRA Electrospindle Device. This new organization is fully dedicated to speed up innovation and investment on electrospindle technology, a field that is very critical for industries evolving toward digitalization and automation. The mission of UMBRA Electrospindle Devices is to deliver precision, efficiency, and performance to our customers. By combining cutting-edge engineering with advanced material and state-of-art manufacturing process, we create Electrospindle, able to cover the most demanding requirements of high-speed machining, milling, and industrial application. Let's move motion technology together.